Hey everyone, I have quite a bit of a small haul from Aliexpress that I wanted to get done. I ordered this stuff back in August and it's finally all gotten here so that I can do a quick video for you. This is going to be some Christmas craft or Christmas journaling supplies and some things for the new year for my streaming once that comes around, because I have a couple things scheduled already. So let's get into it. The first thing I have is this pocketbook kit. It says phone bag kit, but it's big enough to be a pocketbook. It is a Pikachu DIY pocketbook, and it was $13.70 from Aliexpress. Free shipping for me, and I'm really excited. I really want to make this on stream. It doesn't look too hard. It'll be a nice little DIY kit to do. So if you guys want to see me create this, make sure you're following me over on my Twitch account, which is located below in the description for you, because this will be something I will be doing there for you guys. The next thing I got was this Eevee, and you kind of can't see it because of the sticker, but Togepi needle felting kit, another project that I'm going to do over on my craft streams on Saturdays on my Twitch account. I thought these were really cute. They weren't very expensive, and I'm new to the needle felting game, so I thought that they would be easy ones to do. Hopefully I can make them look as realistic as possible. And they were only $6.90 on Aliexpress, and shipping was like $2 and something. It wasn't a lot at all. Okay, the next things I got were for my junk journaling. I got 3 of these little books. They have different types of papers, but I believe they're cardstock papers that are Christmas themed. And I got one called Christmas Carols, Silver Christmas, and Year-End Party. And I'll show you guys what I got, like what pictures are in these. So the Christmas Carols just has a bunch of different music, like sheet music. And I thought that would be cute for the backgrounds and things in my junk journaling. Pretty cool, I think. I might be flipping through too fast for you guys, but yep. It's gonna be some of this and a bit more. It's not cardstock paper, it's like book paper thickness, like a novel. And I'm excited to start using that. I think these will look pretty cool. Let's go to the next one. This one is Silver Christmas, and it's just got different pictures of Christmas. I guess Christmas cards, I would say. Merry Christmas. Just kind of skipping through. Vintage things. I just like the look and feel. That one's really cute. Of these different pages. And I could probably use some of these for taggies on packages as well, which I thought would be nice. Yeah, this just has a bunch of different Christmas things, I guess. Well, that's random. Free printable. Yeah, you can tell this was just copied and pasted off the internet to make these books. I love this. Free printable vintage Christmas sheet music hymns. That's perfect. Like, I definitely want that out. Okay, how to make floating ornaments. Lovely. Okay, maybe this one wasn't a great buy. Free SVG cuts. Yeah, yeah, this one wasn't great. The other ones, I saw all the pages in them, and I thought, oh, well, this one will be great too, because I can use, like, I don't know, I thought it was New Year stuff. So this one, some of the pages will be great, some of them will not. These are just copy and paste pictures from the internet. Yeah, that's all this is. 18 keto Christmas trees. Wow. Well, these 2 are nice. This one's okay. I got a couple different washi tapes for Christmas. Each of these came from a different package. So I got this plaid one, which matches my background. These deer and like Christmas pattern. Some trees with snowflakes that are like holographic. And this Christmas stamp set. This one was 97 cents, and it is a pretty big roll. Now, as for the quality, I don't know yet. I'm going to be doing a swatch video literally right after this, and I'll be posting that as well for you guys so you can see the quality of these tapes and how they look on paper. So 97 cents, free shipping. This one was also 97 cents. It was like $1 for shipping. This one, because it's holographic, was $1.46. And this one was 98 cents. And this last package, I can't find the prices for anything, but I know they weren't that expensive. So here is the one item I got. I believe this was like 97 cents because that seemed to be the like the round figure for this whole thing. And it's just a bunch of stickers that are like lace stickers. I've been looking at these for quite some time and really wanted them. I thought they were really pretty and I could use them for pretty much anything. There's a snowflake and different doilies and stuff like that. So I think these will look pretty and they're kind of generic. So I can use them Christmas, non-Christmas. Well, the snowflakes will be Christmas, of course. And I like them a lot. So I picked those up. And the last two things I got were some Christmas stickers. They're vintage like angels and then vintage Christmas cards. So let's just hope these aren't copied and pasted from the internet like the year-end party book. So I'm gonna open them up and we're gonna take a look at them. So yeah, it's just like vintage angels, Victorian looking stickers. And looking through, it doesn't look like any of these are gonna end up like that book that I got earlier. I love the gold foil outline, or the faux gold foil outline. I think they're gonna look really lovely in my junk journal. And the last one is some more of these like vintage looking. These are more I don't know, I guess not, I don't know, I thought they were not Victorian, but they look about the same. They're just different styles. Still really pretty. I'm still excited to use them. Oh, look at these little girls with the packages. My grandma used to have a picture of a little girl in a bonnet like this on the wall. I like the old automobile, some cherubs in a tree. I think this is gonna look pretty cool. And you know, I went a little overboard in the supplies, but now I won't have to get any next year for the holidays, I don't think. But yeah, that's my haul for Aliexpress. I'm really happy with everything that I got. I can't wait to start using these. These are going to be sooner than those, so make sure, again, to follow me on Twitch if you want to see me make any of these on stream. I do that 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Times on Saturdays. And I also stream Tuesdays and Thursdays around 6:30 p.m. And those are just gaming streams or maybe a craft stream. It's pretty much up in the air. It depends on how I feel. So tune back for that, guys. And if you like what you see, make sure you hit subscribe and make sure to also give me a like and let me know in the comment section which one of these supplies you're excited to see me use first. Again, I'm sorry for 2 hauls in a row. It just so happened that I got everything last minute and I was like, I'm gonna post this real quick before Christmas so everybody can see the supplies before I use them. Yeah, and let me know if you're gonna get any of these for yourself. Just not this one. Don't get this one. See you guys.